Hey guys, how's it going? In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own custom patterns and brushes within Photoshop. So first off, let's start by making our own patterns. Go to File, New, create a new canvas and keep the size fairly small and make sure that the width and height are of equal amounts. So I'm just going to keep it as 10 by 10 in pixels and just click OK. When you reach this point, you want to zoom all the way in, so either click Alt and scroll up or use the zoom tool in the sidebar here. Make a new layer by clicking this button over here and delete by right clicking, delete layer and delete the background layer like so. When you've reached this part, this is basically where you create your own pattern. So right click on the brush tool, go to the pencil tool, make sure it's on 1 pixel and create whatever pattern you want. So I'm just going to create some basic scan lines like so. And there we go, that's the pattern I want to make for myself. After you've made whatever pattern you want in this section, go to Edit and click Define Pattern. Click this button here, Define Pattern. Click that and name it whatever you want. So I'm going to call it Scan Lines. Scan lines, click OK, and now you can use this in whatever project because it is now saved within your Photoshop. So I'm just going to go down here to the adjustment layers, add a pattern overlay like so, and it should default select the pattern you just created. If not, if it's not selected on that, it's going to be automatically set to the last pattern in your selection. So here we go, select that. And in this option with the scale, you can change how big or small your scan lines is. But basically, if you increase the size, it becomes more pixelated, and that sometimes gives a really bad effect. And if you put it too small, sometimes it gives, I don't know, it just looks too small. So I'm going to leave it at around about 75. And when you're done with that, just click OK, and that's basically that part of the tutorial done. Move that underneath my text layer. And now I'm going to be showing you how to make your custom brushes. And the way to do this is the same principle as the patterns. Simply go to File, New, make the size whatever you want, but keep it fairly in like middle. So I'm just going to go by 250 by 300, let's say, and click OK. This is my sort of area. I'm going to create a new layer just like we did before and delete the background layer like so. And let me just zoom in a little bit, and here's where I'm going to be creating my own custom brush. So let's go to the brush tool, let's just do some nice design in black. This is basically, you guys can customize it wherever you want, so I'm just going to keep it like so. So say this is what I want to make my brush about. This is what I want my brush to look like here. So all you got to do when you're done with that and you're done making whatever brush pattern you want, you just go to Edit, and instead of clicking Define Pattern, click the one above, which is Define Brush Preset. So click that, add whatever name, so I'm just going to click Random and click OK. So basically when that is done, you'll notice that it automatically selects the brush tool onto the brush that you just created. And now you're free to use it wherever you want in whatever project. The way you select it is go to your brush tool, go to the drop down menu here, and it should be the last brush in your selection. So here we go, and now we can click it wherever we want, add it. Let me just make a new layer, click it wherever we want, add it like this. You can change the size and the default, the quick shortcut buttons to changing the size of brushes is the square brackets. I'll put a little text on the screen to show you, and it either increases or decreases respectively like so. And guys, that's basically how to create a custom brush and custom pattern within Photoshop. I hope you learned something new from this video, and thanks for watching. Peace.